If we do not step in front of the aging process and build what I call an unbreakable, the shields against the time bombs of aging, we can hurt the rest of our lives, but it does not have to be that way. If we do not take action for ourselves and let time and circumstance take over, there is a high likelihood that we will end up frail. And sometimes it's because we don't know what to do. Sometimes it's because we're afraid to take action. Sometimes it's because we just don't have the motivation. But I urge you, and I'm really passionate about it, you can take small steps, such as just taking a walk every night after dinner. The menolescence, this transition we go through, is a biopsychosocial hormonal change, and it takes action to get in front of it. When we're taking action to build an unbreakable future, I use an acronym called FACE, F-A-C-E, face your future. F is flexibility and range of motion. We need to keep our tendons, ligaments, and muscles at their best elongated length, and we need to keep our joints moving through a full range of motion so that we don't become hunched over little old ladies who shuffle around. That's F. A is aerobic training, two ends of the spectrum. Brisk walking for maximum metabolic efficiency and flexibility, and heart rate sprinting, meaning we're going as fast as we can, because that action will stimulate our muscles, stimulate our stem cells, stimulate our hearts. C, F-A-C, is carry a load. So that means lifting heavier weights for fewer reps. And when we've mastered that, then we add tempo lifting, meaning lifting with varying speeds. Because again, we are lifting for longevity with strength and power so that we can get up from a chair, not fall, do what we want to do when we want to do it. E is the last, which people are surprised when I say it. Equilibrium and foot speed. Often falls are fatal. So what we need to do is retrain our equilibrium and balance, and then retrain our foot speed so that we can not trip, but catch ourselves before we fall. Those are the four components of facing your future, which is how I tell people to take action to build an unbreakable life. It doesn't matter how you come to me, whether you are an adult onset exerciser, meaning you've never exercised before, but you finally got the message, or maybe you're a once upon a timer, meaning you're still talking about your feats of greatness from high school, or maybe you're a consistent exerciser and want to take it up to the next level, or even a pro. It doesn't matter where you come to me. I treat everyone with the same principles that I treat my pro athletes with. So we harness smart, savvy nutrition. We harness the best training techniques. We gather a group of experts around each and every person so that you can be treated as a whole person. I have never changed my approach. That is how I treat athletes, and that is how I treat you. You can't know where you're going until you know where you are. So in the Unbreakable book, I paired with a brilliant data scientist to create the Unbreakable score, which takes the top 8 research-backed tests to measure where you are now. And then we weigh those according to how important the science says they are for your mortality, because that change will motivate your future.